Are you tired of wasting hours checking backlinks manually? Learn how to see your entire backlink profile in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Semrush to get a complete backlink report. Follow these simple steps. Start by heading to Semrush folders. Then click on SEO tools. Now click on Backlinks to access the backlink analysis area. Click on the highlighted element. Then select Free Backlink Checker from the options. Click on the next highlighted element. Finally, click Analyze to run the backlink check. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.